doing, and what would you advise yung mga gustong mag-invest?
How's it doing? Well, I'm very happy. It's doing very well. Pero alam ko naman na a lot of people will have things to say na baka dahil artista ka or ano. Tanggap ko naman na talagang meron akong ganong edge. Na posibleng baka ayaw naman nila tikman yung cookie, baka gusto lang nila na matry yung gawa ko, di ba? Posible din naman yun. It is an advantage, and I think I would be more upset if I didn't take advantage of that opportunity. So I think it's smarter to take advantage of it. Kasi pag may bless ka ni God with something, tapos hindi mo ginamit, may problema na sa'yo. Kailangan mo gamitin yung mga binibigay sa'yo.
Yung first pala, yung bikini pic or yung base?
The bikini pic happened nung pandemic. So, super before pa, we actually took that photo in 2021. I was just on vacation with my friends. Umulan, so hindi na kami nakapag-swimming. Nag-ready na kami mag-swimming. Nagdala ako ng mga frozen na cookie dough. So nag-bake na lang kami. Tapos sabi, ay kakaiba to, picture si Michelle. Si Michelle yung nag-picture. Tapos nag-viral. Si Michelle, magaling talaga daw.
Walang kapat ng mga sa...
Ang ganda ng mga...
Si Michelle magaling talaga magpaganda at
Parang pinotoshoot
magpa-sex.
ka na rin.
Oo, pinotoshoot niya ako ng bonggang-bongga doon. Kasi Michelle na photographer at talagang ako pag siya yung
Parang
nag-video.
yun yung branding ng ano mo.
Oo, sexy
Pag
babe.
sabi nila sa'yo, sexiest sabi ng mga Chinese.
Diba? Akalain mo yun. So that's why I'm saying talagang all the parts of this business are very accidental. As in, nangyari lang. Hindi ko naman binalak na maging
So anong
pinaka-viral po.
the sexiest baker in
I-claim mo
town?
na yun, yung title mo.
Well, totoo naman.
Correct.
Hindi naman. Well, I mean, I think if there's anything that people can count on, I really do the weird kakaiba things. Like, I just brought so much fake hair into a kitchen. Who does that? Who does? Only me.
Sabi nga
Stencil na
nila,
yan.
Short hair ako ngayon eh.
yes, when they invited you to do the work.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sabi ko, honestly, I'm not prepared for something like this, but nothing will happen to you if you wait for the time when you're prepared. Dapat pag kung kailan may opportunity, doon mo gawin.
Parang ganda naman yung exposure.
Oo naman.
Daming
Sabi ko
tao.
nga sa kanila, kasi syempre yung mga kasama ko yung Filipino-Chinese Bakery Association, sabi ko talaga, thank you for legitimizing me.
May black pa din.
Diba?
Ano yung best compliment na na-receive mo?
Thank you.
Best compliment or naaalala mo dun sa about your cookie?
I think the best compliment that any Asian community will tell you about your dessert is, wow, masarap ah. Di masyadong matamis. That's what I felt kanina when I anywhere you go talaga, that's always, any restaurant you go, that's the compliment you're looking for. When you hear that, it means it's a good dessert.
Pinagsa mo ba yun? Hindi masyadong masarap.
Yes, kasi yun yung personal taste ko din. Ay, hindi ko pala nasagot yung kanina. What have I learned? I learned that 80% of any business is marketing.
Ah.
There. That's what I would say to anyone who's who's starting their own small business.
Last question.
hiring people, so hiring more people for your big business.
I already have, yes. And they have way more experience than me. They've been baking for so many years and they make more complicated things than the cookies. So malay mo, because I have that, maybe I'll expand into something more.
Corn
Gusto ko
cookie.
yung...
Oo.
last na.
Parang ikaw lang.
Anong comment ni SB na matikman yung cookie mo?
And syempre, it's his favorite. And syempre, it's his favorite. At kahit maraming mga ibang brand dyan, yung akin pa rin yun.
Yeah! Thank you!